Want to present your data with confidence? In this Power Packed session, you will learn how to turn numbers into clear, impactful visuals that impress teachers, recruiters, and manager. So the date is 20th September, which happens to be a Sunday. The timings are there. There are two slots, one at 11 a.m., the other one is at 7 p.m. So 1 hour each. It would be on YouTube online mode. We'll be giving you a free template to practice. For the registration, please follow the link below. What are we going to cover in this? We are going to cover creating charts, column, line, pie, bar, using recommended charts in Excel, formatting charts, legend, titles, data labels. We'll be also talking about the pivot tables and pivot charts basic. We'll be also talking about adding slicers for interactive analysis. And there would be a use case demo, which is placement statistical dashboard that we'll be talking about department wise. So thanks, looking forward for your presence, and please register with the link given in the description below.